Yeah, so the model that is generated is based on OEM data.
Okay.
So we
Okay.
take the data from the OEM and then translate it into a model. But then the results that you are getting is based on that model that you have created and validated with OEM data.
Okay.
But the difference there is OEM is only giving you data like for one cycle, two cycle,
Yeah.
zero point 0.5 cycle.
Yes.
They don't give you
Yes.
like 0.65 cycle. They
Right.
don't tell
Right.
you like if you are not doing from 0 to 100, if you are doing from 25 to 75. So all this has different implication on degradation. So that's something OEM generic curves are not telling you today. And you are designing based on that generic information. So what's
Right.
happening is you are actually oversizing a system quite a bit because that's what you're getting from the OEMs. And OEMs perspective is good because they want to sell you more batteries. And then obviously the more batteries there are, it's more easy for them to give you liquidated damage and everything else from commercial perspective. So with
Right.
with our approach here, you can basically refine your system design. You can see what really you actually gonna need, and you're gonna go to the OEM. You can have that conversation that hey, run a scenario specific for me with this particular sets of parameters and give me a specific curve for me. So which you are not getting today. So right now, because of that gap, most people are spending more money than what they should be doing in the cost side of the equation. On the revenue side, you all are doing a lot of sophistication, like looking at different market, different revenue streams, how we can make your battery like earn more money and all that. But on the cost side, you are still using that 4 hour 365 cycle, that kind of generic assumption on the cost. And what our tools is really helping you on the cost side of the equation to make it more refined, because eventually your profit is cost and revenue both combined together.